Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to discuss half adders and half subtractors, full adders and full subtractors. First of all, we are going to discuss its simple circuit, and then we will discuss its circuits with the help of NAND gate. So first of all, we are going to discuss half adders. So what are half adders? Half adders are used for the summation of two digital inputs, such as we are applying two digits of input, and we will get output in form of sum and in form of carry. So it will also show us the carry input. So now you can see here, this is the truth table of our half adders. So now we are if we are applying 0 0 on input, then I will get summation 0 and carry 0. If I am applying 1 1 on both input, then summation is 0 while carry is 1. So we have to prove all the operations on our Proteus circuits. So now you can see here, this is our Proteus circuit for half adders, and this our Proteus circuit is also for half adders constructed with the help of NAND gate. So now you can see here, I attached one XOR gates and then an AND gate. So now you can see here, the first input is going to the first input directly, which is this, and the second input is connected to the second input of AND gate, and first input of AND gate is connected to the first button. So here I got two resistors for our button, because I am not here using logic states or logic probes. So here I connected two LEDs, and with the help of resistors I grounded them. And this is the circuit of our half adders with the help of constructed with the help of NAND gates. Now you can see here, you used 5 NAND gates. First of all, first NAND gates and second NAND gate input output is connected as an input to the third NAND gate. So, and as it is there, output of this NAND gate is connected to the input of last NAND gate, and these two NAND gates shows us the outputs in the form of LEDs blinking or not. So if this LED blinks, it will shows us the summation is 1. If this LED will blink, this will shows us the carry is 1. So we are now going to prove all the operations on it, such as you can see here. If I am applying 0 0, then I have to get summation 0, carry 0. And if I am applying 1 1 on input, then I have get 0 on summation and carry on 1. So now you can see in our Proteus circuit, by running our Proteus circuit, we can check. If I am applying 1 1 on both, then I will get 0 on summation and 1 on carry input. This is the carry input. And same as it is here, if I am applying 1 1 on both, then carry is 1 while summation is 0. If I am applying both 0, then summation is 1 and carry is 0. You can see here, if I am applying 0 0 on both, then both are 0. So if I am applying 0 0 here on both, then carry and sum both are 0. If I am applying any of its 1, then sum is 1 while carry is 0. Now also here, if I am applying is 1, then sum is 1 while carry is 0. So this is the half adder circuit with the help of NAND gates and without NAND gates. Now we are going to move towards half subtractors. Half subtractors is just like the half adders, but here we use the concept of borrow, because for subtracting one digit from second digit, we have to borrow some variables from other input. So now you can see here, here I am attaching two inputs, and with the help of XOR and AND gates, and here I use one NOT gate. This NOT gate plays a role of input to our AND gate, and this AND gate will shows us that in output in the help of borrow, and this with the help of subtraction. So this is the table constructed using NAND gates. Now you can see here, I'm also using 5 NAND gates. So first and second NAND gate output is connected as an input to the third and fourth AND gate, and these AND gates will shows us as the output in the help of LEDs. So this LED, if this LED blink, this will shows us we are borrowing 1, and if this LED will shows, we are subtracting 1. So now here I uses resistors with the help of grounded them. Now we are going to prove all the operations on it. Now you can see here, this is the truth table of our half subtractors. Now you can see here, if I'm applying 0 0 on both, then I will get 0 on subtraction D and borrow 0. If I'm applying 0 and 1, then he will borrow 1 for subtracting B from A. So A will borrow 1 from subtracting B. So now you can see here, if I am applying 0 and 1 in our Proteus circuit, I can see here by running our circuit, if I am applying 0 and 1, then summation D is subtraction D is 1 and is also carrying borrow, and borrow is 1. And as it is in here, if I am applying 0 on it and 1 on it, then both are blinking because he is also borrowing, A is also borrowing 1 for the subtraction of B from its. So this is the basic Proteus circuit without NAND gate and with the help of NAND gate. Now we are going to move towards full adders. Now you can see here full adders. Full adders are used for summation of 3 binary digits, such as you can see here, this is the truth table of our full adders. Now you can see here are 3 inputs and 2 outputs. These 3 summation will tells us by S, and the carry output is there. If A, B and C are 0, then summation is 0 and carry output is also 0. If all inputs are 1, then summation is also 1 and carry output is also 1. Now we are going to discuss it on Proteus circuit. First of all, we are going to the construction of our Proteus circuit without NAND gate. Here I used 2 XOR gates and 2 NAND gates, and with the help of OR gate I got their output as a sum. And this LED, if blink, it shows we are borrowing 1 for subtracting second input from 1, and this LED will show us the. So by running our circuit, now you can see here, if I am applying 1 on all the inputs, then I am seeing here 1 and borrowing is 1, because I am borrowing 1 from first to get third from second. It means I am borrowing 1 input. So this is the NAND gate basics Proteus circuit. You can see here I use 9 NAND gates and construct the circuit with the help of NAND gates. Now you can see here these outputs of NAND gates is connected as an input to this NAND gate, and this NAND gate output is connected to the second circuit, which is these 4 NAND gates as a input, and this NAND gate output is connected through LED and shows us output with the help of blinking LED or not blinking, and this output is shows with the help of this NAND gate, which combining both the circuits with the help of inputs and giving us output on the output by blinking. If this LED will blink, it will tells us that we are carrying 1 borrow, and if this LED will blink, it will shows us there is 1 variable. Now I am applying all the inputs on it. Now you can see here, this is the truth table of our full adder. If I am applying 0 0 on all of it, then summation is 0 and carry out is 0. If I am applying 1 1 on all the input, then summation is 1 and carry output is 1. So this is our full adder Proteus circuit. So if I am applying 1 1 on all the inputs, then I will get summation is 1 and carry out is 1. And if I am applying 1 1 on this circuit, then it shows same output, that summation is 1 and carry output is 1, as we are given in our truth table. So now we are going to move towards our full subtractors. Full subtractors is also similar to the full adders. Here we also got one subtraction output and the other is borrowing. So it will tells us that we are borrowing one input or one variable from the others to subtract the third variable from its. So this is the truth table of our full subtractors. It shows if we are applying 0 0 on all the inputs, then we will get 0 0 on all the outputs. If I am applying 1 1 on all the inputs, then I will get 1 1 on all the outputs. So here you can see here, by running we can check by running our circuit. If I'm applying 1 1 on all the inputs, then I will get 1 1 on all the outputs. If I'm applying 1 1 on all the inputs in this circuit, then output is same, outputs are also 1. If I am changing one of its inputs, such as this input is changed, then summation is 0 and carry out is 1. So as it is, if I am applying 1 1 on all the inputs, then I will get 1 1 on all the outputs. So this is all are our the Proteus circuit of our full subtractors, full adders, half adders and half subtractors with or without NAND gates. So that's all from my side. Jazakallah.